Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 13th of May 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay, so which state government has started the e-Adhigam program, which would provide tablet computers to nearly 3 lakh students to exchange their online education? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Haryana. So recently the Haryana state government launched the e-Adhigam scheme, under which nearly 3 lakh students will be receiving tablet computers to aid their online education. So the state government has planned to provide the gadget to 5 lakh students. Apart from that, Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattara launched the Advanced Digital Haryana initiative of government with adaptive module scheme at Maharishi Dayanand University in Rohtak in Haryana. Okay, so now next question. Which state or territories administration has declared a startup policy to help entrepreneurs? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Delhi. So recently the Delhi cabinet has approved the Delhi startup policy with an aim to create an ecosystem for people to launch startup and provide them with a fiscal and non-fiscal incentive, collateral-free loan and free consultancy from expert lawyers and CA. So basically the 20 members task force will be set up to oversee the startup policy. So basically this committee will be headed by the Delhi Finance Minister to encourage, facilitate and support 15,000 startup by 2030. Okay, so now next question. Who has been awarded the British Honour of MBE for his contribution to the COVID-19 pandemic? So the correct answer of this question is option B. So recently, Guru Swami Krishnan Murthy, who is the CEO of the Painlawn, a world-class British medical technology firm, is likely to receive the Most Excellent Order of the British Empire Award 2022. Okay, so now next question. The RBI has given a NOC with condition to the proposal for Equitas Holdings Limited to merge with which bank? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Equitas Small Finance Bank. So recently the Reserve Bank of India has given its nod to Equitas Small Finance Bank and its parent company Equitas Holdings Limited a merger plan subject to certain restriction. Which state hosted the inaugural session Enterprise India Nation Coir Conclave 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Coimbatore. So recently the Enterprise India National Coir Conclave 2022 was inaugurated at Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu by Union Minister for MSME Sri Narayan Rane and Minister of State for MSME Sri Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma, as well as several state ministers and top officials. So basically the coir sector employs more than 7 lakh people in rural parts of coconut growing state. So basically even more, 80% of these artists are women, although output has so far been limited to the country's southern coconut producing state and union territories. Okay, so now next question. Who was recently appointed as the managing director of TVS Motor Company? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Sudarshan Vanu. So recently the Sudarshan Vanu has named as the managing director of TVS Motor Company and its board meeting. So basically TVS Motor Company is a well-known global manufacturer of two-wheelers and three-wheelers. So basically Sudarshan has snapped it and Stini, one of the India's major two-wheeler manufacturer, making is the most award winning two-wheelers company. Apart from that, he was instrumental in the company's expansion in India and other significant overseas such as Asia, Africa and more recently in Europe. Okay, so now next question. Who was recently elected to the Federal Reserve Bank of New York Board of Directors? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Arvind Krishnan. So the IBM chairman and chief executive officer Arvind Krishnan has been elected to the board of directors of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. So basically he will fill the vacancy in the office of the remaining portion of a 3-year term ending on 31st December 2023. Okay, so now next question. Which corporation recently signed an agreement with the Indian Institute of Technology in Delhi? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Power System Operation Corporation Limited. So recently the Power System Operation of the Northern Regional Load Dispatch Central signed a memorandum of understanding with the Indian Institute of Technology in Delhi to encourage research on issue relating to India's power sector and strengthen the interaction between academia and industry. Okay, so now next question. Which cooperative bank was recently fined rupees 58 lakh by the RBI? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Abhyuday Cooperative Bank. So recently the Reserve Bank of India said it's imposed a penalty of rupees 58 lakh on Abhyuday Cooperative Bank Limited, which is situated in Mumbai, for a non-compliances with several directions including on NPA related norms. Okay, so now next question. Which business recently completed the purchase of a 25% share in the Future Generali Indian Insurance for future growth? So, the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Generali. So recently, the Italian financial service major Generali has completed the acquisition from Future Enterprise of 25% stake in Future Generali Indian Insurance, and its stake in the joint venture has gone up to 74%. Okay.